laserjet pro M501 printer, and this printer problem is, and you can see here is a printed paper and here is some shadow on the text, and sometimes it's block the paper and sometimes is blocking the paper in the cartridge area. Today I'll fix this problem very simple and easy. Hopefully you will like this video, and you can see again. Okay, let's fix this problem. And here is another screw. This side also another one. To open this one, here is one lock also. Let's open it. Okay, this is the figure. As per my knowledge, this problem comes from this pizza film. Hopefully here is some shadow on this pizza film. Okay, let's open this and after that check where is the problem. Okay, and how to you can change this easily, and I am showing you. Here is one spring. You just listen for this. Open it. This set also another one. Okay, opening this. Let's keep this here. And this is the pizza lid. Let's clean it properly. Now reinstall the grease, thermal grease, and this is the heat proof. Not mass mode, but little bit. This is the brand new pizza film, and this is a very good quality. And you can check this here. And this special roller also partially damaged, and but right now this special roller is not available in stock, and I will install with this special roller and let's see what happened. But if you have the new one, and definitely will change. But you can see here is some spot of the special roller. Okay, if you want to check the paper jam problem solved or not, you just keep a paper between pressure roller and pizza film. After that you just rotate this gear, and if it is easily released, and you can think that your problem has solved. Okay, our setup is complete. Let's fitting this. Okay, our printer is ready. Let's check it. And you can see our printer is okay. Okay viewers, and paper jam problem also solved, and this pin quality also okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.